Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Remove any wet glob with a rigid 1/2 plastic scraper and blot with disposable rags so you don't smear the stain. Next, ventilate the room and put on gloves. This protects you and speeds drying of solvents. Choose a solvent based on the paint type. Waterborne responds to warm, soapy water. Cured acrylic needs isopropyl alcohol or acetone. Test the solvent on a hidden area for 15 to 30 seconds so you know it won't damage the finish. Once the test is successful, apply solvent sparingly with a cloth damp, not dripping, so you target paint without soaking the floor. Wait 1 to 3 minutes to soften the acrylic. Make sure to monitor for finish reaction. Then agitate gently with a nylon pad or soft brush in small circular motions. This breaks the film without gouging. As paint softens, lift flakes with a plastic putty knife. Repeat solvent application, wait, scrub, and lift until the paint comes away clean, making sure to ventilate continuously. Once the paint is gone, clean the area with warm water and dish soap to remove solvent residue. Rinse and dry thoroughly so no slippery film remains. If a faint stain or edge remains, lightly abrade with 0000 steel wool or fine sandpaper, and then recoat or polish the floor to match. This restores appearance and seals the spot. If the finish dulls or paint resists removal, stop and test a conservative repair approach on a hidden spot before treating the whole area. This avoids making the problem worse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.